Good morning, children. Welcome back to Maths Track 1 session. In yesterday's class, we have gone through the test, that is class test. As I told you that 50% of the syllabus is completed, we are going to conduct a test. So I conducted a test and I think you all wrote very nicely and you have gone through the key by today's class and check your answers where you committed mistakes. If any silly mistakes or major mistakes also, do one small favor to me. Write the solutions again without seeing. Okay? Like that means you'll get a habitat of what? What you'll get habitat? You'll never commit a mistake again. So you'll get a habitat of writing in a correct manner. Is it clear? Now, in today's class, we left with a few sums in exercise 1.1 and 1.2. Okay, so by today I'll complete 1.1 and 1.2. Okay, now in 1.1, all of you open your textbook page number 5, children. All of you open textbook page number 5. Okay, if you open there, you can see 10th question there. A water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step. The first step, that means topmost means the first step. The water level is at the 9th step. Where the water level? The 9th step. So in that, I am going to give you clue. That means I am going to teach first question in that. That means 10th Roman first question. I am going to give explanation for that. So remaining two sums you do it as a homework, okay? And in this video also, only I am going to give you explanation of first sum. And the notes, however, I am sending the classwork book also. Classwork notes also I am sending, no? So like that, you can write the CW. But listen that sum, how you got that answer, okay? Only for listening purpose for today, that you see how you got that answer. Is it clear? The first question. And 2-3 sums completely based on the first Roman model only. Okay, that means first Roman means in 10th Roman first question. Is it clear now? Okay, we will see the first question now in that. He jumps 3 steps down. Who? The monkey is there. 3 steps down. 3 steps down. Okay. And then jumps back 2 steps back. 2 steps back. Okay. In how many jumps will reach the water level? Actually, how many steps are there in a water tank? There are 9 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So at 9 steps you can see the water level here. Okay, at 9 steps you can see the water level. Now, what happened? Where is the monkey? Monkey is in the topmost, means on the step 1. Monkey is on the step 1. Now, what is the question is given very clearly? He jumps 3 steps down. He jumps 3 steps down. He means who? Monkey. Okay. So, 3 steps down and 2 steps back. 3 steps down means C. So here it is in starting position, it is here topmost. 3 means 1 plus 3, how much? 4. So it is coming up to 4th step. Who? Monkey came up to 4th step. So when you are moving down, take this one as down as plus. Down as positive. Okay. And 2 steps back, that means you take it as a negative, that means it is going back. Okay, see here, the monkey is in this starting position, it moves how many steps? 3 steps. So 1 plus 3, so it came to 4th step. Now again from 4th step, it's going 2 steps back, that means 4 minus 2, 2. So again it went to 2, step 2. Again, we have to follow that circle, that cyclic form. Okay, you have to follow these 3 steps and 2 steps. Okay, and see that when the monkey is going to reach at ninth step, because once it reaches the ninth step, it can have water easily. Okay. Now the monkey is in second step now. Okay. Now from 2 again 3 steps again. Now it was in 2. 2 means again it came back. Again what? It has to move 3 steps. So again 2 plus 3 5. So it comes to up to 5 steps. So monkey is here now. Again what happened? It moves 2 steps back. Means 5 minus 3, 5 minus 2, 3. That means here. Okay. Next again 3 steps down. Now monkey is in 3. So 3 plus 3, 6. Now monkey is in 3, 6th step. Now again 2 steps back. It's jumping like anything. So 6 minus 2, 4. Okay. Now it is in 4th step. Now again what happened? Again 3 steps down. Again 3 steps down. 4 plus 3, 7. Okay. Now from here 7. Again it moves 2 steps back. 7 minus 2, 5. Okay. Now from 5 again 3 steps. 3 steps down. That means 8. Now again from 8 it will come back again 2 steps back. So 8 minus 2, 6. Now the monkey is in 6th step. Now from 6th it will go to 9th. Because 6 plus 3 now 9. Now again is it come back? No. Why? Because it reached almost all what? It reached to the water level where you will get water here. So it can have water very nicely. Now what are the arrow marks? Now you may get doubt. Sir, how many steps it moves like that? You may get doubt. It's very easy, children. Where I kept arrow marks, just mark that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That means after 11 jumps, the monkey will have water. Is it clear, children? After 11 jumps, the monkey will have water. So once again, I am repeating this sum, children. Once go through it very clearly. Here, the monkey is in the topmost, means at the step 1. But the water level is on the tank is at 9 steps. At 9 steps, the water level. Now the monkey what is doing? At 3 steps down, is jumping like this, 3 steps down and coming back. 3 steps down and coming back. 3 steps down, coming back. Like that. But when it is going to reach the water level at 9th step, when it comes 3 steps down, 2 steps up. 3 steps down, 2 steps up. So wow, how it is going to reach to the 9th step to have his water? Okay. So see here now. Where the 3 steps down means I am asking you to take a positive. Means it is coming down. So from 1 to 3 steps means 4. Now again from 4 steps what happened? 2 steps back. So 4 minus 2, 2. Again from 2 to 3 steps. So 2 plus 3, 5. And again 5 minus 3, 2. And again 3 steps. 3 plus 3, 6. Again 2. 6 minus 2, 4. Again 4 plus 3, 7. 7 minus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 minus 2, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. Means when it came to 6 again it jumped to 9. Why? Because 3 steps. So now it reached to the level of water. So it can have the water nicely. So now as I told you that what are the arrow marks kept, you count that many steps it jumped like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. At 11 jumps it can have water happily. Is it clear? Now similarly taking the same example, and why can't you try the 10th sum, 2nd Roman and 3rd sum. Okay children, that you can do it as a homework. And this sum I will give the explanation, that means writing part in the CW. Immediately you all know very well, I am going to send, I am sending the classwork also. So you can copy. After listening only, if you copy it's better children. Is it nice? Okay. Next we'll go for exercise 1.2. Okay. Okay children. Now see exercise 1.2. Okay. Exercise 1.2. Now write down a pair of integers whose sum is -7. What is the question? Write down a pair of integers whose sum is -7. Okay, sum means what? Plus. See the first question there. First Roman, first question. Sum is -7. Means is asking to find pair. Pair means no, two numbers. Any two numbers. If you add, but you should get the answer 7. But here I'll tell you one logic children. It is very easy because in 6th standard you have learned simple equations, only the basics. But here I'll tell you one small basic here. Okay. Actually it is there in 7th. So before that only just I'm using it. If you understand, you go in that way. Otherwise I'll tell in different way also. No problem. See once. Here sum means what children? Plus. Sum means plus. Is asking to add two numbers. Pair means 2. Okay. So two numbers we have to add. So here just we are taking as blank. 2 blanks. Why I took 2 blanks means he asked pair. Pair means two numbers. So sum is plus symbol. Now if you add these two numbers, you have to get -7 it seems. Understood? If you add these two numbers, you should get -7. But actually, and to be frank, if two numbers are not known, we don't know how much it is. So that's why always he will give at least one number. At least he will give one more number. That one more number we don't know, that will select whatever you like. Okay? That one more number, whatever you like, you tell. Suppose you can tell 10 or 5 or 8 or whatever it may be. Whatever the number you like, you tell. No problem. Nothing will happen. Okay? But answer should get -7. Suppose I will not take big numbers, just small number I will take. Suppose I will take 8. So here I took 8. Okay? Because without knowing at least two numbers, we cannot find the sum of -7. At least these two numbers, one number should be known. Out of two, at least one number you don't know means you can find other easily. Is it clear? Suppose I'll give you one example. Okay, suppose you and myself are there. Okay, so with me I don't know, with you also how much money is there we don't know. But total together we have 100 rupees. Total together. And that means, is it clear? With me I don't know, with you also you don't know. But your money and my money total together 100 rupees. But how can you say that? Maybe you can keep effort as effort 70, I'll keep 30. Maybe sometimes I'll keep 80, you may effort 20. Nothing will happen, no? So like that. But at least either your amount you should know or my amount should know. Until unless you don't know one of the amount, we cannot find the other amount. Just giving you one more, again telling you. Suppose, nee daggara, I am telling you in Telugu for understanding purpose. Nee daggara amount undi. Enta undo teliyadu. Na daggara kuda undi. Kaani teliyadu. But మీ అమౌంట్ నా అమౌంట్ కలిపితే 100 రూపీస్ రావాలంట. ఎలా అవుతుంది సార్? హౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ పాసిబుల్? అవ్వదు సార్, అస్సలు అవ్వదు. ఎందుకంటే ఏదర్ మీ అమౌంట్ అన్నా తెలియాలి, లేదా నా అమౌంట్ అన్నా తెలియాలి. ఇద్దరిలో ఎవరో ఒక అమౌంట్ తెలిస్తే ఎవరో ఒకరిది ఈజీగా ఫైండ్ చేయడానికి ఈజీ అవుతుంది. అర్థమైందా? అండర్స్టూడ్? సో దాట్స్ వై నీ దగ్గర అమౌంట్ తెలిస్తే నా అమౌంట్ ఈజీగా వచ్చేస్తుంది, లేదా నా దగ్గర అమౌంట్ తెలిస్తే నీ అమౌంట్ ఈజీగా వచ్చేస్తుంది. అవునా కదా? సో హియర్ మనకి ఏంటంటే రెండూ తెలియవు. వీ డోంట్ నో బోత్. సో హౌ వీ హ్యావ్ టు. ఓకే, సో డోంట్ థింక్ దట్ ఐ టోల్డ్ ఇన్ తెలుగు బికాస్ సమ్ జస్ట్ పేరెంట్స్ ఆర్ రిక్వెస్టెడ్ సార్ అట్లీస్ట్ సమ్ టైమ్స్ యూ కెన్ స్పీక్ ఇన్ తెలుగు, అట్లీస్ట్ వీ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్, మాకు కూడా అర్థమవుతుంది కదండి, సో మేము కూడా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయొచ్చు అని. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ టైమ్ ఐఎమ్ టెలింగ్ ఇన్ తెలుగు. ఓకే, లిసన్ వెరీ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. So, is it clear now? So, that's what. At present, I have some amount. I don't know, 70. At present, 30. 70. And you have, don't know. How much you have, you don't know. So, what will you do? You will subtract from 100, my amount. 100 minus 70, 30. That means 30 is with you. Is it clear? Similarly, same here. Here, take how much number you want. I said no, you take whatever number. మీకు ఏ number ఇష్టమైతే ఆ number తీసుకోండి. And other number తెలియదు, we don't know. So take it as a x. The x is an unknown person. మనకి x తెలియదు. But to find x, what to do? Listen very carefully. Concept is in simple equations, but now only I am telling. Here you want x means, okay, first write x. What is the equal to after? Minus 7. Now, some concept is there here, children. Here plus 8. Here it is plus 8. When plus 8 transfer from this side to that side, means equal to that side it is going. It is transposition. We will call it as a transposition. Transposition ante it is changing the symbol. Transposition means from here to when it is going to this side is changing the position. But we have a rule that when it is changing the position from this side to that side, that means LHS to RHS, a plus symbol will turn as a minus will turn as a plus, into will turn as a division will turn as a multiplication. So these are there in simple equations for you in 7th class. They will understand very nicely. But here I want to give you some knowledge to understand this concept very easily. Late sir, we know very well and you can do directly also, but we have to take little bit time. Like this means it will understand very easily. See here, as I told you that two numbers if you add, you should get minus 7. I took one of the number as 8. Other number don't know. Okay, other number don't know. Very easily we will find out. Means already you came to know one number. They are finding other number. So x equals to minus 7. This is plus 8. We'll go that side means what happened? Minus 8. Now you all know very well 2 minuses means what to do. 2 minuses means what to do? Addition. So minus 15. So x value how much now? Minus 15 you got. Now check that whether you got the answer or not. One number you took how much? 8. Plus x value how much you got? Minus 15. Now check here. 8 plus into minus 15. 8 minus 15 is minus 7. You got the answer minus 7? Is it clear? So you can write any number like that. Solution you can write 8 minus 15. That means 8 plus of minus 15 equals to 8 plus into minus 15. So 8 minus 15 is 7. That means if you add 8 and minus 15 you will get a 7. You may get doubt, sir, you took 8. Why can't I take 9? You can take. As I told you, no, you will get many numbers, whatever the number you like. As I told, I took 8. You may get doubt, sir, why only 8? I can take 9. Yes, take it 9. Nothing will happen. So here 9 you took, suppose. So 9 plus x equals to minus 7. X is some unknown person. So x equals to minus 7. This plus 9 will cover this side means minus 9. So x minus 9 minus 7. So minus 16. So minus 16 plus 9. Answer minus 17. And one more child get one more doubt. Why can't I take negative number? You can take. Why can't you take? I can take negative number, sir. You can. Blindly you can take the minus also. No problem. Nothing will happen. That also I'll give you explanation. See if you take any minus number. See here. Suppose here I took minus 5 plus dash is equals to minus 7. That means x unknown. So here we took minus 5. Okay. So x equals to minus 7. This minus 7 will turn, that means transposition. Transposition. That means it's changing the position. So minus 5 will go that side means plus 5. So x minus 7 minus plus 5. One positive, one negative means what to do? Negative. Means subtraction. So 7 minus 5, 2. Which number contains greatest number? 7 contains minus symbol. So minus 2. So minus 2 and minus 5. If you add, you will get minus 7. So these two are pair. Is it clear, children? Like this you can find very easily. Don't worry, just only listen. I'll give the notes. Okay, children. Now exercise 1.2. First Roman B and C you can do the same model homework, and second Roman also same what I explained in the first Roman, same model. Okay. Now I am going to teach you third sum. In a quiz, team A scored minus 40, 10, 0. Means team A and team B. Two teams are there. So team A scored minus 40, 10, 0. And team B scored 10, 0, minus 40. These are all marks scored by team A and team B. In 3 successive rounds, means 3 rounds, they asked 3 rounds. In each round, how many marks they got, they wrote here. Minus 40, first round. Second round, 10. Third round, 0. Like that. Which team scored more? That means, which team scored means what we have to do actually? We have to add both the team's marks. That means total A marks, team A marks and team B marks total. So you have to see that now, which team got more marks. So that team will be obviously what will happen? He will be the winner. So can you say that we can add integers in any order? He is asking 2 questions. Which team can score more? Means we have to tell which team scored more. And can we say that we can add integer in any order? You already know that we can add integer. Integer means either positive or negative. You can add in any way. First you can add minus, then you can positive. Then positive, then negative. No problem. Nothing. In any order you can add. So second option you got answer. Now I'll explain how to do the sum. So here I am only explaining the sum, and how obviously listen the class very nicely, children. If you listen the class, you can do sums without my knowledge also. Means after listening. So if after listening, however I am giving you what? CW. So okay, is it clear? So first listen the video, then go through the CW. So whatever the sums I am explaining, that sums I am giving you as a CW. Okay. Now see here. So here we have to write marks scored by team A. Marks scored by team A. How much that is? Minus 40, 10, 0. Now we have to add total marks scored by team A. Total marks scored by team A. So minus 40 plus 10 plus 0. Okay, you know 0 is neither positive nor negative. So now 0 have no value. So minus 40 plus 10. So minus 30. Because one positive, one negative, what to do? You have to do subtraction. Okay, children. Now you'll see the marks scored by team B. Okay. So marks scored by team B. See here, team A I wrote with black and team B I am writing with blue, just for understanding purpose. So how much the team B scored here? 10, 0, minus 40. Now total marks scored by team B. Total marks scored by team B. That is 10 plus 0 plus of minus 40. Now 10, 0 no value, plus into minus, minus 40. So how much you got now? Minus 30. So both got minus 30. Is it clear? Are you checking that both got same answer? Both how much got? Minus 30 and minus 30. So now who scored more marks? Both have same marks. That means they both scored equal marks. No need to tell which team is highest now. So team A is minus 30, team B also minus 30. That means they both scored equal marks. So team A and team B scored equal marks. Who scored more? Means both scored equally, we can write. And at last what he asked? Symbol. Which symbol can be used in any way? Which symbol in the question is given now? Can you see that? Can we say that we can add integer in any order? Yes, we can add integer in any order. That also you can write in the solution. So this solution also I am going to give you in the CW. Okay. And fourth Roman, homework. So all of you note down your homework, children. Maths homework. 22/06/21. Okay, Tuesday. Next, first Roman, B, C. Which one? Exercise 1.1. Sorry, 1.2. Exercise 1.2. 1.2. First Roman, BC. Second Roman, ABC. And fourth Roman, blanks. Okay. Fourth Roman, FIB. FIB means fill in the blanks. So this is exercise 1.2. Next, exercise 1.1. That is also homework only now. 2 sums left. 10th Roman, second and third. 10th Roman, second and third. So total exercise 1.1, 10th Roman 2 and 3. Exercise 1.2, first Roman BC, second Roman ABC, fourth Roman fill in the blanks. So this total homework. Okay, note down in your diary. Okay, and check your answers along with Mikey always, and go through the CW. Every day I am sending you the CW also whenever it is there. Okay, so update your CW, children. Have a nice day. Okay, so tomorrow we'll go with the properties of multiplication of integers. Okay. Is it clear? Have a nice day, children.